Welcome everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on an iPhone 6s. As you can see, this phone right here has a very bad battery. It doesn't even last 3 hours, and a normal battery should last you about 12 to 24 hours depending on the amount of work that you do on your phone. But yeah, okay, so we're gonna replace it with this battery right here. All right, so first thing is first, we're gonna remove the two screws, the two bottom screw, Phillips screws that are holding the screen. I'm gonna use my opening tool. Alright, so as you open the screen, make sure you open it 90 degrees, not over that. The risk is to not damage the flex right there, the connectors of the screen. So always hold it 90 degrees as I'm holding. Alright, so the next thing to do is I'm going to use my star screwdriver to remove the screws on the plate holding the battery connector. I'm going to use the plastic tool to just disconnect the battery. Alright, as you can see on this battery here, it doesn't have the original adhesive strips that it normally comes with. So I'm just going to use my opening tool just to chip it a bit, and that's it. It easily comes off. So there's basically a piece of tape underneath, which is still strong. So this piece of tape is actually, it's enough to actually hold the battery back. So I'm just going to use the same piece of tape. Alright, so here's our battery. I'm going to post a link in the comment to show you guys where you can get this battery from. There you go. And always test before you completely close the device. So test every time you replace a component, and especially before closing it off completely. Alright, and this battery, well, the new battery comes with a 3 months warranty, and I'm just gonna post the link below. Alright, so the phone is on. We're just gonna check the battery health quickly. There you go, it's on 100%. So every new battery always comes with 100% battery health. Right. There you go, and that's it. So battery replacement on an iPhone 6s done in basically less than 4 minutes. Alright, as I said before, I mean, this is a repair that it's quite a simple repair. You just need to follow the right steps and have the correct tools and have the part available, and yeah, it's literally a less than 5 minutes repair, and you can literally save yourself some cash and time. I mean, if it takes you 5 minutes to do on your own, yeah, that's a good timing. All right, thank you guys for watching. Until next episode. All right, take care.